Precious Metals Weekly Update, episode 11. Today we're going to be talking about how all the precious metal did throughout the whole entire week. We're going to be talking about gold, platinum, silver, and palladium. And also, silver and gold has been going down while platinum and palladium are going up. Why is that? And let's start now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. And if you guys want to help out, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join the community, thank you in advance. So question of the day. Do you guys believe it's time for you guys to maybe slow down on buying gold and silver and focus on platinum and palladium? Comment down below. Let me and this community know. So you guys know how I like to do it. We're going to be talking about gold, platinum, silver, and palladium and how did they do throughout the whole entire week. We're going to be talking about their highs, their lows, and their current price. And then after I'm done with that, we're going to talk about which one is the biggest winner and which one is the biggest loser. And am I personally buying, holding, or selling all those precious metals? And then we're going to end it off with my thoughts.
No one cares about your thoughts, man.
So let's start now. Hey, can you give me the thing? Not this. Do you feel lucky, punk? Well, do ya?
Oh, please, no, don't shoot me.
I was talking about my notes. Thank you. I need my reading glasses. So let's talk about gold prices. Gold prices, current prices right now for the entire week is $1,275.41. Now the high of the week for gold is actually $1,291.92 and the low for the week for gold is $1,271.44. Let me know, did you guys buy any gold this week? Comment down below, let me know. So now that means for the whole entire week, gold lost about $15 from last week to this week, $15, which leaves it at a decrease of 1.17%. Now, the fact that I do plan to buy at least 1 ounce of gold every month for the next 6 months and starting in June, this is good. I want gold to keep going down because the cheaper I can buy gold, the better for me, right? I mean, it's common sense. Now for silver. Silver, the entire week current price right now is at $14.96. For the highs of the week, silver went up to $15.10. And for the low of the week, silver was down $14.86. Let me know, did you guys buy any silver this week? And at what price point did you buy silver? Did you buy it at its lowest at $14.86? Comment down below. I want to know, honestly. Which means the whole entire week, silver lost just 2 cents. That's it. Not that much of a move, but it lost 2 cents, which leaves it at a negative 0.14%. As long as silver remains at these kind of prices, I'm always going to be buying silver. That's just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. So for platinum for entire week, current price is at $903, and the high for the week for platinum is $903. It remained the same. And the lows that platinum experienced for the whole entire week is at $877.36. But from last week to this week, platinum gained about $12. $12, amazing, right? Cool. Which means that it gains 1.35%. Now, for me, it's platinum. I don't own that much platinum. I do own I know I own less than 1 ounce of platinum. Platinum has been going down within the past couple of years, but for me personally, I'm not saying anything, but for me personally, I do believe that platinum has a little bit more downside to see. Now, if it goes into the lower 800s, I may reconsider buying platinum. Now for palladium, the rising star, the shining star. I mean, palladium 2019 has been the rising star. If you bought palladium last year or 2 years ago, however long ago, you would have been banking with palladium. And that's just facts. I mean, you could check the track records and you'll see. Now, within the past couple of weeks, palladium has been taking a hit. It was at $1,600, but it did go down to $1,300, losing about $300 in value within the past 3 weeks. But right now, palladium prices are at $1,424.50. Now, for the highs of the week, it was actually $1,424.50. But for the low for palladium, is actually $1,351.01. Which means for the whole entire week, from last week to this week, palladium gained about $50.50, which gives it an increase of 3.68%. Are you guys buying palladium? I'm not, honestly. I just believe that it's high. Now, which precious metal is the biggest winner and which precious metal is the biggest loser? Looking at all the data, without a shadow of a doubt, we can see that palladium is the biggest winner. And oh my gosh, isn't that a surprise? Because for the past 11 weeks, palladium has won at least 9 times. 9 times. All right. So now that we see the palladium is the biggest winner, which one of these precious metal is the biggest loser? Okay, and that is gold. Gold is the biggest loser for this week. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna be buying palladium because it's the biggest winner, or are you guys gonna be buying gold because you get better value for gold? Comment down below, let me know. But speaking of buying, holding, or selling, what am I doing with all these precious metals? I don't believe I need this no more. So what? So what do I believe? I don't need this either. So what do I believe? Am I buying gold? Yes, I am buying a whole bunch of gold. Well, not right now, but I am going to be buying a whole bunch of gold. What about selling? If I'm buying, I'm not selling. Like I said, the only reason I'll buy to sell is if I'm flipping it. But I'm not flipping it. That's not my stacking strategy. I am not flipping it. If I'm going to be buying precious metals, I am going to be holding it. Which means I'm buying gold, I'm not selling, which automatically means I am holding. What about silver? I told you guys can see the whole video and realize, yeah, I am buying silver. Am I selling it? Hell no, why would I sell silver? I mean, come on, at these low prices, there's no money to be made. Matter of fact, I'll lose money with silver unless I sell it at a ridiculous premium. So that means I am holding my silver as well. But what about platinum? Now, honestly, I feel like it's a good time to start buying platinum, but I do believe, just me personally, that I do see a downfall in platinum. Not that much, but if it loses about another $50, I may reconsider buying platinum. If you have platinum right now, is it a good time for you to sell it? No, I don't believe it's a good time for you to sell it, which automatically makes it a hold, okay? Now for palladium. Palladium, I am not buying palladium right now at all. I mean, it has to take a good $300 off its value right now. I do personally believe that palladium is overvalued. So as far as that, I'm not buying palladium. If I had it, would I sell it? I'll probably sell a good portion of it. See if it has any more gains to reach, and if it does, then I'll sell some more. And the only reason I would sell it is only because I believe that it can't sustain the price that it's at right now. That's just my thoughts. I do believe that the only reason that palladium has been rising is because the automotive industry, and I do believe that automobile industry doesn't have that much growth into it with the catalyst converter and all that. I do believe that the electric vehicle is gonna come and wipe out the gas combustion engine. And that's just my thoughts. I can be wrong. Let me know what you guys think. So yes, I would hold some palladium, but just to check out the prices to see if I need to sell it or not. If it goes down, I'll probably sell a little bit more. If it goes up, I'll probably sell a little bit more. But I don't own palladium, so I don't know. What you guys know with your palladium? Do any of you guys own any palladium? Comment down below, let me know. Now, as far as this week, we've seen that gold, silver has been going down while platinum and palladium has been going up. What do you guys think? A lot of people's like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna slow down on silver and gold and buy platinum and palladium. Now, for me, I just believe that, hey, it's on its way up, especially with palladium. I do believe that palladium is
close to its top.
And I don't believe on buying anything close to its top. Now, a lot of people's like, hey, you know what? You're buying gold and silver is going on its way down. What if you bought stocks? Would you still be buying stocks if it was losing money after money after money after money every year after year after year? No, it doesn't make sense to do that. Yes, it does not make sense to buy that. But what you're telling me is something totally different. That's like saying, oh man, a human being is such and such and such, while this Martian is such and such and such. It's totally different. A human being and a Martian, you can't really compare them to. One, you can actually see and hold physically, while the other one is just in your mind, created by Hollywood. We're not even sure if it's real or not. That was deep. Let me know if you guys caught on to that, like I just did. But anyways, two different things. Precious metals and the stocks are two different things. The reason I would buy precious metal is very different than the reason I would buy stocks. I'm not buying gold and silver to make money. And a lot of people like to compare. I'll say, hey, you know, if you bought gold at this point when it was down, then you would have this much. Then they'll come in, yeah, but if you buy gold at this
time, why the hell would I buy gold at this high?
Why would I buy gold in 2011? Like, why? If I had a choice to go back in time, do you think I'd be like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go back to 2011 to buy gold. Or you think I'd be like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go back to 2003 or 2001 to buy gold when it was at 300. Like, if I had the option to, I would always choose the lower price. If I had my mind right now, back in 2011, I would not be buying gold. I'll be talking about gold right now the same way I'm talking about palladium currently. So as far as me slowing down and not buying gold, not buying silver, to actually go and buy platinum and palladium, I don't see it. My bet is always on the underdog, and that's just how I see it. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and
Have a wonderful day.